1. Pre-shipment inspection. Visual inspection surface defects. Inspect for scratches, bubbles, deformations, color variations, stains, or burrs. Integrity. Verify the absence of cracks, damages, material deficiencies, or uneven splicing, particularly in multi-component assembled products. Markings. Ensure that product labels, logos, batch numbers, and safety certification marks are clearly visible and accurately applied. 2. Packaging process and requirements in a packaging scratch protection. Wrap products in bubble wrap, pay bags, or pearl cotton. Provide additional protection for vulnerable areas such as edges and transparent components. Anti-static measures. Use anti-static bags, for example. Silver shielding bags for electronic plastic components to prevent electrostatic damage. Fixation. Package multi-component products separately or secure them using blister trays to prevent collision during transit. Outer packaging carton selection. Select appropriate corrugated cartons, for example, B, C, K, flute, based on product, weight, and dimensions to ensure sufficient compressive strength. Filling material. Fill internal voids with foam boards, cardboard inserts, or air column packaging to prevent movement within the box. Box sealing. Secure the box with sealing tape using an I-shaped or cross-shaped taping. Method. Reinforce with packing straps when handling heavy items. Special packaging requirements. Moisture protection include desiccants, for example. Silica gel packs, especially for shipments to high humidity regions. Dust protection. Employ vacuum packaging or shrink film wrapping for precision plastic components to prevent contamination. Stacking instructions. Clearly indicate the maximum stacking layers on the carton, for example. 5. To avoid compression damage. Labels and documentation. Outer box labels include product name, quantity, gross, net weight, destination, barcode, and handling labels, for example, fragile or environmental considerations. Minimize packaging waste and prioritize the use of biodegradable materials. Regulatory compliance. Ensure packaging complies with the requirements of the destination country, for example, EU REACH regulations and US FDA food contact standards. By implementing rigorous inspection procedures and scientifically designed packaging, it is possible to significantly reduce return rates and customer complaints, thereby enhancing brand professionalism and customer satisfaction.